Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account in 2025. So I will be just open my Instagram application on my mobile device, and we will move in the right bottom corner option is the profile icon, and you will see in the top right is the option of settings. So we will get in, and here you will see the account center meta. So I will be just get in, and make sure you will be just finding in account settings the personal details. I will be just tap on it simply as well, and you will see the last option is account ownership and control. So manage your data, modify your legacy, contact, deactivate or delete your account and profile. I will be just tap on it, and from here if you want to just delete the temporarily, so simply just select your profile as well, and you will be just selecting the deactivate account. So deactivating your account is temporary. So if you want to just delete your account permanently, so you will be just choose the second one. Simply just tap on it to continue. And if you already created the thread app, you will also just tap on it to continue with it, and give them reason of your deleting your Instagram account. After giving them reason, tap continue and give your password of Instagram, and it will be just deleted easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.